ramp set up here. We're not gonna do nothing crazy out here right this second. I'm just testing this thing out, seeing how she's gonna do. New motor, like I said, stock motor back in it. That Reese Raw 500 turbo is amazing. Ooh, chassis slapper. Oh, that's a fire pit. I'll show you all these hubs and stuff I put on it afterward here too. Man, Harold, she looks amazing, that body on it, dude. Ooh. I'm talking about, y'all. I'm already liking it, I think. It ain't got so much power now to where I can't control it. It is actually controllable now. With the 1100 in here, I couldn't even hit the throttle. It was out of control. Now I can at least hit my throttle, and I got better control of it, seems like. Yeah, seems like it's way better controlled. Well, it's got less control, I guess, if that makes sense, but I'm in control better. Less control, but I'm in control. It's not as wild. Stop, buddy. Yeah. That was sweet, Joe. Nice. And it ain't broke yet, knock on wood. Let's go back here and see if we can get some videos of it back here coming at us a little bit. Ooh, slapping her down, baby. On the neighbor's house, yes. X-Maxx don't care, it drives right over it. Right over the neighbor's house. You guys, I'm telling you now, this feels so much better to me. Oh my gosh, I just nailed the house. It might be that placebo effect or whatever, but... Oh, no tree. I seem to be in much better control than I usually am on X-Maxx. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful X-Maxx. Now see, I might just have to leave it like this, y'all. I'm digging this. She wasn't... She wasn't learning the backflip. I ain't digging that. I couldn't even pull a backflip off that. But whatever. I can still jump her for her. We can still send her like that. These are them RC Lipo 4S packs that they sent me to, guys. And I've been telling them to put, on the soft packs, they need to get plates in them so they ain't deforming and stuff like that, but they're listening, I think. She flies smooth, man, flying real smooth and nice, y'all. I'm digging it. Oh, man. Might have to leave my X-Maxx back to the stock motor. I'm digging it for real. I should have done this a long time ago. Oh, that was bad, y'all. Damn, that was bad. Oh, pinion's off. Or gone, one of the two. I'd say we probably broke it. I hit on power right there and everything. Let's check her out. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's gone. And it ain't even in here. Where the hell did it go? Well, I'm gonna look for my pinion gear. If not, that's gonna do it. But boys and girls, she is performing. I like it. Look at my paper towels, y'all like that? To hold the batteries in there so they wasn't flopping around. Oh, there's my pinion too. There she is. Well, I'm gonna slap that back on her and we're getting back at it. Hold on, we ain't going nowhere. No, man, pinion gear come right back off, y'all. Daggone, didn't even make it down the steps. Let's try that
porch
descend again. See if we can at least keep the pinion on for that much. There it is. Well, I don't know how long it's gonna last, y'all, but like I said, we're gonna see. The other thing I did to this, guys, I took the earplug mostly out of the center diff. I loosened the diffs up a little bit, because I think that was contributing to my gear failures too. Oh, my new body. Daggone, so I get for not standing back here where I can see. Hey, y'all, too. I'm trying to tell you, spread the word. At 1,500 subscribers, we got a massive giveaway, y'all. Basher Queen, China Hobby Line, Pyro Nitro, Code 118 wallet and money clip, Pyro Nitro roof skids and fan covers. You guys, it's a lot in this giveaway. I wouldn't sleep on this one. Spread the word. Here we go. Motors don't generally care, I found out though. As long as you ain't completely overvolting them, you're all right. Make sure they ain't getting too hot, and you should be good on the motor. There's that old wonky X-Maxx I love so much. That hit myself. That motor sounds good, actually. It's quiet. Right over the tree, baby. That's what I'm talking about, X-Maxx. You guys, this is so much better. So much better without that 1100 in it. I mean, so much better. Still got power. Might have to adjust some gearing or something, get some backflips out of it. We'll see though. It might do it. I just chickened out. Oh yeah, it'll do a backflip, I'd say. Just gotta hit it right. Now I ain't really scared to death from tearing it up every time I jump it now either. It just feels better, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it, I guess. It just feels better. It feels lighter. I don't know. It just feels good, damn it. And there ain't even probably that much difference between 1100 and this motor. The only difference is in the air. That thing's so touchy, that 1100. You blip the throttle like that to correct it, and you was flipping the damn thing, and then you was trying to hit the brakes to correct it again. And yeah, it's just a mess. Just a mess. This is fun though, man. Right here in the backyard even. Flying smooth as glass, dude. This thing is flying beautifully. Get out of there, X-Maxx. Don't take that. Don't take that nonsense. Oh no. Yeah, baby. It's got a gyro on. I just don't have it turned on. It's fun bashing without gyro. Oh. That roll 500, you gotta watch it. It'll roll this truck right over on the turn. Oh, this X-Maxx is so fun now. This is my first bash in a long time where I've got to go out and rip it like this. Granted, I'm not sending as far as I would be down there at the park or nothing, so I mean, time will tell. Time will tell when I start really sending it. I might not send this. I might just do this. You leave this truck for the mediocre sends and keep my other crazy trucks for the big sends. I don't need them all to be able to go 900 miles. I'm starting to realize that, y'all. I try to build all my trucks at first up to be crazy as hell, and some of them just better without it. You know what I mean? Honestly, some of them's better in their stock form. They can't take all the power. X-Maxx is a beast though, y'all. A beast. Not a care in the world from X-Maxx. That was bad. Let's do a low speed hit and see if it's got any power. We want to try back with it. It does not have much power in the power department no more for backflipping. We'll figure it out though. We'll get her. And if I can't backflip this one, oh well. It still flies really far. Oh no. Yeah, it don't have much air control, really. I mean, you can keep it level, but that's about it. And you don't really need to keep this thing level. It's flying so level, it's insane. X-Maxx is fun again. Stuff like that, but what I was doing with it, it was just chewing gears up. Or maybe I just needed to turn the punch down and not have it all so rowdy and not such hard hits off the takeoff. I don't know. Maybe it was me. But even if it was, oh, there's LVC, y'all. Oh, we made it through some packs. Oh, that is the first time, and I couldn't tell you how long we made it through some packs with this truck. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it. Till next time. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out, y'all.